Hi, Tim Blankenship here with Divorce661.com, and in this video I want to talk to you about whether or not you should request restoring your former maiden name as part of your divorce in California. My answer is to say yes, to always request it, and here's why. Just because you request your name restored in the divorce and you get a judgment saying that yes, you can restore your maiden name, doesn't mean you have to go run out and do it right away. So if you think you might change your name back in the next 5, 10, 15, 30 years, go ahead and request it so you have the court order that says you can do that. So if you do decide to do that in the future, you just go to DMV and Social Security and you already have your court order. Now, if you don't, the downside, this is why I recommend this, is if you later decide to change your maiden name, go back to your maiden name rather, and you haven't done it as part of the judgment, you can do it as what's called a post-judgment request for name change, but in some cases the courts are charging an additional $435 to do so. So if you think you may do it in the future, just request it in the judgment. Otherwise, you might have to pay a fee down the road to have that done, whereas it's part of the process when you file for divorce initially. Tim Blankenship, Divorce661.com. Hope you're having a great day. Talk to you soon.